Welcome everybody. Welcome. How you guys are doing? What's going on? What is going on? Oh, my lucky hat. I almost forgot. Sorry. What's going on? Into some trades. Trying to do something different. But nothing is happening so far. By the way, how are we doing with the news? We have news at 8:30, so that is gonna be interesting for sure. What news is this? Let me see. Unemployment claims, but I think we should be seeing some moves on this one. Let me go ahead and check. Yeah. Also pretty much bullish on gold. Methodical man, hey there. Hey Agan. Did we pass? Yeah, I passed one. I YOLO'd 2 accounts and I passed one. Initial jobless claims, yeah. I passed one account. The other one was blown, but yeah. It was still okay. And I totally forgot, because I thought that the 50K has the lifetime $85 too, but anyway, no worries. I thought that the 50K has lifetime $85 as well, but who cares? They weigh on buying accounts using your codes. You should donate to me. Again, you know, let me know, when are you what, you know what, I'm gonna put you into the giveaway with the higher class ticket that we're gonna do for the next time. How about that? It's almost ready. Agan, let me put you into a higher, because actually, you know what, I think I just figured out a way. If someone using the code, there is a, you know, I'm using this application. It's called Viral Sweep, and it's very good for streamers, for giveaways, and YouTubers, anyone who's online. And I think there's a solution for someone who is using my code at these prop firms to get some more entries, more points for that. I'm gonna look into that. There should be a solution for that. Anyway, thank you so much, Aka. You passed 550Ks. You wanted to send 5 250s, but Anna Adoard, hey there. Good to see you. 250 by paying the processor wasn't working. So, Methodical Man, by the way, everyone is freaking out about the new rules. And how about you? I mean, honestly, I think there is nothing special. You just have to put a stop loss and don't gamble on the funded accounts. That's it. Use a stop loss and don't gamble. By the way, I think you can still enter without a stop loss. I think there is a time window, should be a time window, like 10, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, something like that. I don't even know which prop firm is that. There is another prop firm that wants everyone to, yeah, me neither. Just wanted to hear from you too. I mean, I don't really care about the new rules from Apex, because as long as, and guys, it's for everyone who is listening to this, if you're not gambling on the simulated funded account, it doesn't matter. Just put a stop loss. But if you don't put a stop loss, I'm wondering, how much time do you have to put a stop loss? How many seconds? One prop firm has the same rule, and they say you have 60 seconds. Which one is that? Hold on. You have 60 seconds to put up. Well, I don't know which prop firm is that, but is there a time frame, or you should put it immediately when you put on the order? I don't know. That's the only thing I don't know. Should it be immediate, or you have some time? I'm gonna have to raise a question to support. And as far as I looked into it, it should not even really affect, for example, Alpine as well. He just have to put a stop loss, and you know, maybe close his positions at some time. I placed a trade in the morning and flattened it break even. 30 minutes later, I bought an account at Apex, and when I checked Rhythmic, I found out 4 of my accounts with trades running on. Wow, that's interesting. There could be a connection issue, Agan. There could have been a connection issue, Agan. I suppose. And maybe those trades were somewhat ghosted on the platform, but were still there. I don't know. Interesting. I don't think it will be enforced very strictly, but who knows. I just set up a bracket order and move the stop. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. And I think that's what I'm going to do on all of the prop firms, really. Not that it mattered too much, just as you said. I put on the trade with bracket orders, and I'm just going to move the stop, and that's it. So on the market orders, doesn't really affect me. I'm just going to set it to like that. So the only thing I have to be careful maybe is adding to losing trade, but I only do that when I try to scalp based on indicators. All accounts could be blown like you should always, again, what you should do, again, check the orders, and you open the orders tab. Where is it? It's here. You open the orders, and you should be checking if you have any orders on, or on the accounts tab. I have a long position on gold micro. It's in a little bit of a drawdown, I think so. Yeah, a bit of a drawdown. And that's it. Small trade. Only on an evaluation account. But yeah. Trying to figure out a way to trade more on the... based on the 5-minute charts, maybe. Honestly, I think... So there's so many things I would like to talk about, and I already recorded 3 videos, and I didn't have the time to edit them. And I want to talk about these things. Risk management, trades, all these things that I'm going through nowadays. Anyway. By the way, I decided that in the future, if I would be in the need for extra funded accounts, especially from Apex, or maybe the My Funded Futures expert account would be good as well. It's a little bit more money to jump into, but actually it's more. But the standard account, the starter account, gives me only 2 minis to YOLO, but to YOLO it at news, that could help me to to get back a few accounts that I missed or I blown up. With Apex it seems easy, and I guess that's why they are enforcing some of the rules, maybe in the future. I don't know how strictly, but yeah. Anyway, I'm pretty much bullish. Hagan, it scared you. I didn't buy an account and check on Rhythmic. I could have lost 4 accounts. Jesus. Hagan, check your order list if you're in Quant Tower, or open Rhythmic Trader just to check on the things if you're not sure. I always check on my orders before I exit the platform, even if I know that Quantower actually reminds me if I have open orders. I always check the account, the orders, everything. Sometimes I even open the Rhythmic Trader just to see the account if there's anything left over. You can never know. You can never know. Oh my Jesus Christ, this trade is gonna go against me super hard right now. Should be going higher. Actually, what I want to do here is I am going to put because this is an evaluation account and I'm already sitting in this gold trade. I might try to put something with this or do something with this. We still have less than 4 minutes. Maybe I can add to it, lower my stop a little bit. I don't want to lose this account completely. Good morning, Crypto Panda. Good to see you. So I don't want to lose this account completely, but it seems like that's the case. What's gonna be? So I'm willing to lose about a few $100 on this trade. That means I could add to this position a few more micros. So I don't know. I'm still hovering in this and I'm just wondering if I could save this or not. How many can I, how much profit, how much capital can I use on this account or lose? News coming, yeah, I know, Josef, welcome. This is an evaluation account, just saying. Stuck in this trade. You are crazy. This is just evaluation. I'm flat all over. I don't have anything else. And this is just 4 micros, so not 4 minis. This is 4 micros, just saying. 4 micros. And what I'm gonna do, I might just going to add to it, since this is gold, by the way. This is not Nasdaq, and I'm gonna get to the point where I'm gonna answer why am I gonna trade in gold. And let's see, here's Nasdaq. Why do this? That is the question, Josef. I'm going to answer that. All right. But first, I have to decide if I want to save this account or YOLO it, or what should I do with this. I don't want to lose the whole account, but I'm willing to risk a few $100 on this one. So what I'll do, because I believe that gold should be pumping, that's my bias. I'm gonna be adding, actually I did add already a few more to these. All right, let's add a few more. Our 10 micros, that should be enough. That should do it. How about that? And the stop is going to be down there, maybe. All right, let's see. Let's see. With micros, guys, it's only micros. Gonna be interesting. 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, I closed it. Nevertheless, I closed it, manually closed it. Flat, flat, flat. Averaged it out. It didn't really want it to kick higher, which is fine. And that's it. I saw some struggle. Ijaz, hey there. Requested payout and it's under review. They review every payout. Which prop firm is this? Every prop firm reviews payouts. TOPSTEP, My Funded Futures, Apex, every single prop firm. Which means that they're just checking if you violated their rules or something. This was 1 mini. Yeah, 10 micros, 1 mini on gold. It was 10 micros. It was 10 micro. 10 micros, so 1 mini. Yeah. On gold. Nothing special. I made like, I don't even know, a little bit, not too much. Yes, but the balance was already at 50,100. So I made $118 because at the London session I ended up the balance 50,100. So I made $118 right now. Today I started from negative 49,912. In the London session I managed to go over 50k, and now a little bit more. But I'm only doing this sometimes on these evaluation accounts, but I think it was quite enough for me right now. Yeah, not too much. Yeah, because I already had an open position and it was in drawdown. I was in $150 or $60 drawdown already when the stream started. So when the stream started, I was already in the position right here. It was 8:05 Eastern Standard Time, and I started the stream here after that. So I was in drawdown by the time the stream started, and then I was lucky to get out from this, and that's it. I was just lucky. This was pure luck, nothing more. I saved it, but I was just lucky. Ali Kaka, hey there. Are you buying 2 accounts or 50Ks? Very tempting. The 250K account is very tempting, especially because of the activation fee. But I bought 50K accounts, multiple 50K accounts, because mathematically it's easier for me to get by with the 50K accounts. Prasad, hey there. Nevertheless, if you can YOLO 250K accounts, the $85 activation fee is very promising. It's actually very, very, very promising, to be honest. I think it's a very good price. I might even take 1 or 2 maybe, because it's very tempting. But you have to make, you know, a little bit extra profit there. 15,000 or 16,000 is the profit goal. I think 15. So do the math. You know, if you have to make $15,000 and you have $6,000 drawdown that you can manage, which one is easier? So one hand, make $15 with $6,000 drawdown, or make $3,000 with $2,500 drawdown. Which one is easier mathematically? I know if you can make the 250K, you're definitely going to have a bigger safety cushion to trade with, and bigger profits can come. That's absolutely an advantage. So I have 50K, and I always It's not much actually. I tried that too many times, although I usually fail. But 1 mini on a 50k is all right. It's perfectly all right as long as you have an exact trading model. If you have an exact trading model, you know how much you're risking with that 1 mini. You know where is your stop, and you know where's your TP. What's your risk to reward ratio? Then you can get by with 1 mini. It's actually all right, but requires a little bit more awareness risk-wise. Okay. So that means you're risking on average 8, 10, 11 points. You have to count the commission too, $5 round trip on 1 mini on average. So that means about 8 to 10 points, which is all right on Nasdaq, which is perfectly fine, I guess. Aggressive, yeah. So if you're aggressive, if you can also keep that strategy on a funded account, if you believe you can keep that strategy on a funded account, then why not? I tried that too. I still trying it. I'm still trying to manage 1 mini. Sometimes it's a little bit hard or difficult. Sometimes I go in with, for example, 8 micros or 10 micros, and then I can take partials, right? So I can take some partial profits, which is good. Look at that. NQ is dropping. Where can it go? All right, so it went through here. You know what I'm doing right now, guys? I'm going absolutely overboard and crazy. I'm doing support and resistance here. I never did that. I didn't do this since the end of 2022. So this is support. There is resistance. Okay, we broke through support. Where could this go to? I go to the left. That's how I did it. Price went through here. This held support in this area. I always draw up my own support and resistance levels. Went up there. This held as support and then continued higher. So I think this is pretty much a good support area for price if it wants to continue, right? I don't know why I'm doing this. Don't ask me why. Anyway, don't forget it, guys. It's a sale going on the whole week. I can't wait to know what my funded futures is going to come up with. I'm very excited, actually. I'm very, very, very excited. Although they already said that they are not going to do like those kind of promos that are not feasible for the prop firm. But hopefully they will do something good. Yeah, my funded futures. Yeah. Overall, we're talking a lot about Apex, BULENOX, TOPSTEP. I can say with all fairness, and the unfortunate thing is that I've blown up my account with them. My favorite so far is my funded futures. I can say that. Definitely, my favorite is my funded futures. There you go. No daily stop out limit. End of day trailing. Very good payout policy. I think all the small details which are included, everything goes next to my funded futures. So they are my favorite. I know the price is a little bit higher, but I could argue with that. I mean, why is it doesn't really matter? Because my funded futures is the best right now. I can say that. I never said this before on stream, but I can say I think the best is my funded futures right now. But I still love the other ones too. I think these are great companies. They said there's going to be some announcement today during the New York session. I don't know. Right now, my code gives you 30% discount if you're brand new, your first customer, your first purchase. If you use my code, you get 30% off from the expert account, which means you can get an expert account, a 50K expert account for $115, but it has the activation fee in it. No consistency rule, no withdrawal cap. Nothing. I just sent an email. I had to email Apex. I do not see any trade history from yesterday in the eval charts, nor can I see my accounts when I log into TradeAway and NinjaTrader. Anyone else? I had the same issue, Alan. I had the same issue. A few days passed by and they updated it. So Elikaka, I have problems with my funded futures. They charge me what? 8 PA accounts, what? And say it's not possible because you only can have 3 PA accounts. It's only possible because if you pass multiple evaluation accounts, or you can still activate those accounts, so you can still activate them. Oh yeah, so I saw. Okay, I just read what you were saying. Yeah, BULENOX is great too, Joseph. So I know. Don't worry, those accounts are gonna be there in case you blow your funded accounts. Those, yeah, okay, sorry, yeah, I just got it. So if you blow those funded accounts, oh, second activation fee. But if you activated them, I think there's just a misunderstanding. They should be sorting you out. I mean, after all, they don't really see everybody individually. Opa, sorry, my phone. So they don't see everybody individually. They should be sorting you out. No problem. Support is going to sort you out. Just raise a ticket. They're going to help you out with that. You know, they're not going to charge you twice for PA accounts. And if you activated them, they're just going to put it to the shelf. You know, if you blow some of your accounts, those other accounts that you activated are just going to, you know, they're going to get it to your Quant Tower or NinjaTrader or whatever, TradeAway. So those are going to be there. You don't have to pay the activation fee twice. I'm sure that they are going to take care of that. 100% sure. Technically, you can't pay them when you already have. Yeah, technically you can't. Oracle, howdy. Technically, on the Discord, once they said you can. A moderator said, I don't recall who it was exactly, which moderator, but they said that technically you can, the same as TOPSTEP. So TOPSTEP lets you the same thing. If you pass multiple evaluation accounts, you still can activate it, but you cannot access those accounts. I don't know how is it going to show up on your billing status, or how is it shown on your, for example, NinjaTrader or Rhythmic, whatever, or TradeAway. But the same happens at TOPSTEP too. So on TOPSTEP, they also said that you can pass multiple combine accounts. You can also activate them, no problem. And they're just going to put it to the shelf. And if you blow one up, they're just going to, you know, send you the ones that you activated. I don't know, but you can ask them. I'm sure it's all right. I'm sure. I trust them in this issue. They're not going to, you know, steal that away from you. I'm sure. We are going to get a new cat. Imagine that. But not for me. It's for family. We have to get a new kitty. Today. We're gonna go for her. She's a she. We're gonna get her tonight. A new kitty. You guys can't see it, but yeah. We're gonna get her tonight. Although, I'm definitely... I could be having more likes if I would have a kitty cat here, right? I could be having more likes on the stream. Alright. Dark Cloud, hey there. They told me. And they told me they are 90% sure. Actually, that's what they told me on the phone. They're 90% sure that she should be a she. I'm not an expert in this. I'm not an expert, but that's what they told. Definitely going to raise the we're going to boost the click-through rate. Yeah. Alright, let's see. I activated my 4 master account. 3 of them activated. 4th is waiting. When I will cross 60, it will come up. Okay. Okay, there you go. It just... By the way, congratulations on them. I had this discussion yesterday. You can see under invoice that I paid 8 times PA fees. I inform you. They can also rebill you. So worst case scenario, Alikanka, they should be recharging back to your credit card or debit card. It should be recharged back. Should do one-time live trading stream. Oh yeah, he should. That guy. Yeah. Hi Tom. How long should it take you to activate? On Apex, it takes about 10 minutes or 5 to activate it. But you know, if you pass the account, you receive the email automatically at midnight or after midnight from Apex. So after that, if you sign online the contract and you pay it with credit card or debit card, it activates in about 5 minutes or instantly almost. The other day I activated my PA account and it was like in 30 seconds or less. It was like 20 seconds. It was instantly there. Look at this. It's going down. What is going on? Are we going down to 84? What is happening? All right. I just started to short on this. $86, $85 should be fine. Should be fine. Might add one more. This is just an evaluation account before somebody gets nervous. This is a crazy trade. Don't do it. Absolutely crazy trade. Never do this at home. I'm just adding to it, as you guys can see. Risking about, I don't even know how much. Very small amount, $70. Actually, let's do it a little higher. All right, 70. I'm going to... My risk reward is off. I'm going to win like almost 60 bucks on this one. So negative risk to reward. Don't do this at home. Okay. It's a very bad thing to do. And this is actually against the rules. So never do this like this. Okay. Oh yeah, it did. It did. It definitely did. Alright, let me delete all this crap from here. Sorry about my French. And crude oil is just going... you need to understand how crude oil is working. I'm just trying to watch this, understand how it works. I would really like to pick up another market, although I think it will be a little bit too much. And so many people also trading on gold. Quite interesting. Francis, nice platinum balls by Tom again, shorting the... I told you, I'm just looking for this one to go down to to some support. This is what I'm doing right now, guys, is just pure support and resistance trading, which made me lose all my money back in 2017 and 18. So I'm totally safe. I'm fine. I'm perfectly fine. Not doing anything. There. I'm gonna put it to break even. What? Why is it not working? I thought we're gonna go down to that level. 95.25. That's where I'm gonna modify it. 95. All right, now it's at break even. All right, it's at break even. I'm gonna lose only commission on this trade. If I zoom it out, it seems like a very, very huge trade. Look at this. It seems like this trade is like a groundbreakingly huge trade. Look at this. Oh no, it could pop up. Look at that. It's gonna take me out at break even. No. No. Oh no, look at that. Son of a gun. It's taking me out at break even. The tension is real. The stress is real. Everything is real. The stress, the levels, the anxiety, everything is just, I mean, I can't. I just can't bear with this. It's too much for me. Look at that. Look at that. It's gonna take me out break even. No. Oh, this is too much for me to handle. 625.22 suddenly appeared many orders. Really? That's interesting. Might be a bite. It looks like it's gonna take my break-even level. I'm trading support and resistance, everybody. Oh no, please. Hold tight, brother. I'm holding. Man, I'm so stressful. I can't bear this stress. This is just too much for me. This is too much. I can't. It's just too. Take a deep breath. All right. Jesus, out of coffee. That's it. No more. Good morning, Clarity. How you doing? Man. No. No, it's gonna go back. No. I can't watch. I can't. I can't even watch it. 5 mini, come on. I'm just right. I'm in with 3 micros, not with minis. I'm in with micros. Micros. Let me show it to you. Micros. Micros. I'm not with minis, man. What are you doing, Brando? No. No. It's gonna take me out break even. No. I can't handle it. I can't handle it. This is too much stress. No. No. Oh, I can't. I can't watch this. Man, this is too much stress. I don't know. Thank you, Brando. Thank you. Oh no. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. That's it. Just a little bit down. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come. No. I don't understand. I'm sure that it's gonna go down, or is it gonna go, or it's gonna go up. I'm sure about that, and it's gonna go to the right side. So come on. It's too stressful. I can't bear with this. This is too much. The entry was not based on the 30-second chart, but it's definitely attractive, right? No, it's gonna go against me. No. 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 All right. It's done. All right. We're out. Well, we're over. It's over. I tried everything, guys. I tried. Was a great run. Was a great run, everybody. Really liked it. Took my stop loss out to the tick. Trust me, now it's gonna go down to 85. Oh man. Basically, it was based on this trade. I mean, sorry, this gap here on the 1 minute. I thought we're gonna continue lower, although my entry was a little bit late. Mario, good morning, good morning. What happened if you delayed about a week before activating? Would you lose the account? What happened if you delayed about a week before? Which prop firm? Apex gives you 48 hours. TOPSTEP gives you 30 days. BULENOX gives you a week. If you delay at those times, you forfeit the account, basically. Frankie, sorry, I didn't read that. You forfeit the account. That's actually a not violation, but you're forfeiting the account. Once it happened with BULENOX, so there's a story for you guys. Believe it or not, there was a problem. I had an issue with my bank, which I had to resolve, and there was no money on my debit card, and I totally forgot that I have to activate the BULENOX account. So they were very generous, just saying. I wrote them a support message that I have an issue with my bank, and they told me that they can extend the bill, the link which activates the account. They can extend it with 2 weeks. So they were very generous. They can extend it by 2 weeks, but you have to raise a support ticket. So BULENOX was generous in this matter. I only asked them to give me a few extra days, but they told me they can extend it. Just for example, if you cannot pay it on Apex because it's only 48 hours, I suggest you write them a support ticket, and they might be doing the same. Like they can give you like an extra few days or whatever before the activation link expires. It took out low of days, so it is reasonable to get out, but jump back in on the next 1 hour open. Wick high creation. Oh yeah, the 625, right? I mean, look at that. Actually, I wasn't so far away. My stop loss was at break even, but originally it was up there. And the 85 that I was looking, 85.75, I think it's still in the crosshair down there. There's one thing though, if we look at this news candle right here, it has this long wick. Anyway, which is definitely interesting. Gold is making new lows here. I just sneezed. All right. Trading MNQ versus what's your risk and targets on MNQ? Okay, so the MNQ is basically the same as NQ. It's just micros, although a few ticks here and there can differentiate. But my risk on a funded account on average is $50 to $70, sometimes higher, but usually not more than $100 per trade. Usually around $60, $70, $80 my risk on the simulated funded accounts. And on the evaluation accounts nowadays, I go aggressively. I try to use a daily $1,000 stop out level, which means I usually risk like $200-300 on a trade, maybe $200-300. Or if I scalp on the evaluation account, I just don't stop until I don't reach the $1,000 on a 50K account, for example, or a little bit more. If there's no daily stop out level, I can go maybe $1,100-1,200 for the daily. When I say that, okay, I messed up the day, I should not be continuing, and that's it. So the evaluation accounts, I'm much more aggressive, guys, much more. But the funded accounts, I'm going to show you a snippet from these funded accounts that I have. All right, where are they? So let me show you. So this right here is a PA Apex account. As you guys see, it's a $25,000 funded account. I'm only at $239 on this one. The goal on this account is to reach nearly $3,000. So I have quite a way to go on this one, but I'm only trading with $50, $60, something like that. All right, so let's go to the other one. The other Apex account, which I'm willing to share on YouTube, it's also a funded account, has $126 profit on it. Okay, so nothing special. Also targeting around $3,000. There's a BULENOX account. It's a funded account that I have $522. So as you guys can see, I'm really slow on these ones. 522 on this BULENOX account. I have another BULENOX funded account here. Only $123 on this one. So that's it. I have an Apex, sorry, not Apex, TOPSTEP funded account. I have $1,257 on this Express funded account. Okay, these are the ones that I'm willing to share on YouTube. I have more as well. I still have an account with Apex here that I passed. I have not activated it yet. I will be activating it today or tomorrow, whatever. Anyway, so these are the accounts that I manage. I have my funded futures evaluation account, starter accounts I go with. I had a funded account with them, but I blow it. And look at that, it goes to my original profit target. There you go. It goes to my original profit. What a shame, what a shame. So I'm taking really small and slow steps. Very slow. Very slow. Do you pay lifetime? I always pay lifetime. I always pay lifetime fees. Always. I don't care about the monthly fee. Always lifetime. Always, because I don't want to stress if I'm not flipping the account, or if I'm not doing too much on it. I just, you know, push the button to have some trades. I don't want to be stressed out the other month like, oh wow, I think I have to pay another $85. So I always go with the lifetime fee. I'm not saying it's a bad thing if you go with the monthly, but I have multiple accounts, and I have actually right now 7 funded accounts, which 4 of those are Apex. So 4 times $85. For me, it's not good. So I want to get through with it with the lifetime fee and not think about it anymore. I'm not thinking about the monthly fee anymore, and it puts down the stress and the pressure. How many trades are you doing per day? Most likely around 2 or 3 nowadays. Do we have to trade BULENOX MA every day? No. No. There's so many different rules on different prop firms. And my funded futures is also requiring to trade every week on the funded account. What I'm doing, and actually that's a good thing, you should do the same in this matter. I have Trade Copier with Quantower. And what I do is once every week, I link all of my funded accounts together, every funded account. And I open a trade with one micro, but of course not just a stupid trade. So I try to find some valid entry or something good. I open a trade with 1 micro, and with a little bit of luck, if it goes to a little bit of profit, I just close it with a profit or break even. I try to hold the trade for at least minimum 8 to 10 seconds or more, especially if it goes to profit. And then I close it, and then I disconnect all of the funded accounts from the copier, and then I go again one by one. So that's how I flip them every week. I have a timer. I have a paper sheet on my desk here, not to forget me to flip the accounts every week. It's very simple. Just flip all the funded accounts every week. I don't really care about how many trades do they require, but if you flip them every week, every pop firm, there will be no issue. I know somebody said you cannot really go to a vacation. Yes, you can, absolutely. If you take a laptop with you, or I have actually virtual machine as well. And what I can do is, I was already thinking about this. If I go on vacation or something for a few days, my laptop can handle it as well. But if I don't have my laptop, I can log in from my mobile phone to the VPS server, and I can do the same. I just flip the accounts, and that's it. That's what I do. All right, market should be opening soon. Look at that. We reached this support area. This is support and resistance. Yeah, I don't know. It's ICT concepts. Everything is ICT. I just drawn up a few minor support and resistance areas because I wanted to see how price is doing. Look at that. Price was pretty much rejected on this area. Then it went lower. If you look to the left on the 5-minute, this is a 5-minute chart. Then it pretty much like, I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Yeah, you can. So price went up here, tried to get back down, consolidated, then pushed higher, got denied again. This level again couldn't get through, went back, and then rejected. So this area right here, this 81, 85-ish area, I think it's, I mean, kind of like a support area, okay? And now this could be turning into resistance in this fair value gap above 709. So let's see what happens. There is another resistance area up there. Let's see if we can get through somewhere. And the next support area, in my opinion, would be, well, maybe here at the 60s, but doesn't really matter. I just draw this up just for fun. BULENOX, hola. I took first monthly till payout, then from payout I switched to lifetime. Good job, there you go, Francis. Lilo required to trade minimum 12 days per month. Really? Why do they say you are only willing to share? Because partially because personal reasons, and by being very short about this, I don't want some people see my accounts here in Hungary, and that's it. That's all. There are very bad people on the world. That's all I can say. And I don't want everybody. Thank you for the subscription, KT. Thank you for the sub. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I don't really want to share all my financials on YouTube because that be enough that I say there are not always some good intentional people in the world. And I don't want to share all my financials and accounts, how I'm doing, how many payouts I'm taking from these prop firms. But I'm willing to share some, which would be and should be enough for you guys to prove to you, and for myself too, that I can reach a payout and I can do this. It's not just about who's rich or who's not. Hey Gabor. Hello Gabor, how you doing? See ya. It's not just about if you're rich or not. There are some people who are not always in your good intention. Let's just say that. So I decided, I learned from my past. It's not because of my YouTube or anything specifically, but I learned in the past 10 to 15 years I was working with, I was doing businesses. I was a salesman. I talked with many companies, many people. I did businesses abroad. I have my own experience. I know how people are working, and I also have some inputs about my YouTube financial, I mean, from outside, from other sources, that what I'm showing and what do they see, what I do, and how much money I'm making here. And because my country here is richness is measured by your perception of the world. Yeah, exactly. In my country, unfortunately, people work like, if you're doing good in something, then most likely the other people want you to fail. That's it. That's how people work in my country, unfortunately. If they see you're doing good, they file some tax report against you. They file something else against you. I don't want to go into details. And I decided I'm not going to show all my financials on YouTube, but some of it I'm going to share with you, of course. And yes, the same in Latvia. All right. Every country. That's every country. All right. I had a company back in 2010 until 2017. I had my own company. I was a contractor with my own company doing businesses for insurance companies, and it was okay. I had people working for me. We were a small group of salesmen, actually, so I know how it works. And until this day, which it was like years ago, and until this day I had some deals that I had to shut down that company back in 2017. I had to do the latest filing of the shutdown in 2018. And I'm still making paperwork with the tax office until this day. And it was 6 years ago. 6 years ago. And I'm still doing paperwork with the tax office. It's called NAV here. I'm still doing paper. So I decided I don't want to show everything online, because this country works like this. If some information gets to the wrong hands, you know, that's how people operate. Come to Germany then. Yeah. I'm from Hungary, in Jaskop. I'm from Hungary. We are like a bucket of crabs. Once you reach the rainwater flow will pull you back. Exactly. And that's what I don't want. I pay my taxes. I just filed my tax papers. So I pay taxes from last year, from TOPSTEP that I took out. And now I have a new small company that I'm doing the tax there. It's a small company formation here. But still, I don't want to put everything online, because I have so many bad experience from people, especially in my country, about these financial things, that no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna share everything, because no, that is actually something. Unfortunately, Tom, it is so around planet Earth. Yeah, Germany is crazy. I was on Euro trip. I bought a car in Poland, drove around Germany with Poland plates. Everybody's hating there. Come on. Sad place. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. But it's a sad thing, actually. Sad people. And also jealousy, you know, guys, jealousy. For example, I told you guys, and I'm being honest with the tax office as well, because I'm doing my filing on a monthly basis now that I'm doing the company. If I tell someone here in Hungary on the street where people are making $900 a month, and I tell them that I'm sitting at my computer, I'm very grateful and fortunate to do what I like, and I'm making more money than he or she does from his average salary, trust me, many of those people would be like jealous, or maybe even worse, like say, oh, you're not even doing anything, you're just sitting at the computer, and that's not a real job, and you should be going to the factory for 12-hour shifts, and that's not and I'm gonna file a lawsuit against you at the tax office because you're definitely doing something very nasty, shady thing online. That's how people are working. You know, they want to pull you down. So, and I already got some information back from some people who discovered that I'm online, that they are guessing, oh, Tom is online, look at him, he's every day sitting at YouTube, and how much money he's making. One of my friends told me that he was asked that, hey, do you know how much Tom is making? Do you know how much money Tom is making online with his YouTube? Because, you know, we're curious. What is he doing? You know. And I said, all right. I'm not going to share everything on YouTube. I mean, I'm gonna share just as much as needed. And I already told you guys, I'm very grateful for everybody for the support. Anyway, we're waiting for the market open. Actually, when I would tell someone on the street that there is a possibility if you grind enough and you're, you know, if you're really dedicated to the goal and you want to make money from trading, you can make money from trading, they would be laughing. All right, enough of this. Let's move on. The world is like this sometimes. What is happening? What is happening? Let's just do the TOPSTEP and the Apex and the BULENOX. Actually, I'm willing to try out the TOPSTEP X platform, although I'm not a fan of TradingView, but you know. Tom, can you tell me YOLOing the eval, is it possible or during? No, of course not. Of course not, Prasad. You can do it other days as well. If you want to YOLO, you should do it during the market open. You know, that's because Nasdaq should be moving like 20-30 points at least on a good day. Oh, thank you, Köszönöm Balázs. Thank you. I think on eval you can trade. Yeah, on eval you can trade whatever you want. You can trade however you want. No restrictions. I don't know really any of these prop firms that I promote. If there's no restrictions on evaluation accounts, you can do whatever you want. And if there's no news, I would YOLO on the market open at 9:30. Yeah. Do I have any orders, by the way? Let me check. I'm flat. All right. So we reached this support area. Are we going to go higher? I don't know. We have the midnight level a little bit higher. And by the way, thank you everyone for watching. Take Profit Trader is okay too. You can do whatever you want. Just be careful, Joseph. Take Profit Trader has daily stop out limit. And it's actually a hard breach. So not like at TOPSTEP. If you breach your daily loss limit, which is $1,100 or 1,000, I don't even know. 11. Anyway, on the 50K. If you breach the daily loss limit, that's a hard breach. You blown the account. That's the only problem. By the way, guys, we have to talk more about Take Profit Trader because I think it's a great company. The payout policy is super awesome. Everything is very good. The only down point is if you breach the daily stop level on the evaluation account, you blown the whole account. One issue to solve that, if you go to Rhythmic Trader and set up a daily loss limit before that. I'm gonna also have daily limit end of day. Yeah. Yes. But that's why and BULENOX, if you want to YOLO, then you should go with the option 1 accounts with the intraday trading. There is no daily stop limit on the option 1 accounts. There's no daily stop. Also on BULENOX, if you're getting stopped out on the option 2 accounts for the day, it's a soft breach. You can continue the other day with the trades. But Take Profit Trader is a hard breach, and you have to be aware of that. I think it's $1,100. So what you should do on Rhythmic Trader is set up a stop out level, for example, at $1,000. There's still slippage, so be careful on the news. Even if you're trading, you're YOLOing the news, Rhythmic might not be able to put you out from the position. So just be careful with that, but still, you can save yourself with the Rhythmic account liquidation setting there for the day. Okay, so 1K daily limit, it doesn't matter. Yeah, it doesn't. Actually, I have no issue with the 1K daily limit. Absolutely fine. Because if you're down 1K on your evaluation account for the day, you should be stopping anyway, right? So you should be stopping for the day. You should walk away. That's what you should do. So again, Take Profit Trader is awesome. Also, the funded account doesn't have a daily loss limit, but they mixed it up. The evaluation phase is end of day trading drawdown. The funded account is intraday trading drawdown. But don't forget it, it's going to lock in after you reach the threshold, okay? It's not that big a deal. I have a code for it, by the way. There's a link down there. 40% off, and I think it's around $100, including the activation fee. $100 for a 50K account, and it has the activation fee if you use the code and link. And no activation. I mean, it's included in the price, the activation fee, lifetime activation, that is. So if you can pass it maybe in 2 months, that's still $200. So that's still a good price, right? So, for example, at TOPSTEP, you take a regular 50K account, $49 plus 149 activation fee. That's for 1 month. But with Take Profit Trader, even if it takes you 2 months, you can make it with the same price. So that's actually even better than TOPSTEP in that matter. Man, I have to trade with Take Profit Trader. I wanted to trade with them this week, but I don't know why I didn't. Okay. It seems like the static account is back on my funded futures, but with a twist. Okay. They're going to set the premiere at 9:30 for this. Okay. So they're giving back the 30K static accounts, I think. That is awesome, by the way. Everybody was waiting for the static account. That is huge. The static account is like a classic Forex prop firm account, so no trailing stop. I'm going to speak second Hungarian. Szóval a static számla az olyan, mint egy klasszikus Forex számla, nincsen intraday trailing, nincs end of day trailing, tehát 30 000-ről indul, és azt hiszem 1500 a drawdown, és nem húzod magaddal, mindig 1500 marad, tehát 28.500-on van örökre. A funded accounton is mindig 28.500-on, tehát az mindig ott marad. Igen. Tehát a static account az azt jelenti, mindig ott marad. Felviheted bármennyire, mindig 28.500-on marad a drawdownod. És nincs napi drawdown limit. Tehát azt nem szokták mindig behozni a staticot, úgyhogy most úgy néz ki, valami akció lesz a statikkal. Azt ilyen 2-3 havonta megvillantják egy hétre. Alright, so seems like the static account is coming back. And that is actually like one of the big deals with my funded futures, but there's going to be a twist. That's what they said right now. The static account is coming back, but with a twist. So I'm curious about what is the twist with the static account. Yeah, actually it sounds very good. I mean, the static account is a good one. It's a little bit more priced than the starter account. Last time I think it was $150 per month. I think, I don't know, something like that. So it's a little bit more priced in, but Actually, it's very good. It's like it's almost like a forex prop firm account, but with futures. Okay, market has opened up. Let's see what's happening. All right, seems like it wants to edge higher. What's it gonna do? All right, still in one place, one area. Seems like BULENOX has a connection issue. I think it's because of Rhythmic. So far, Apex still connected. All right. Let's see what's happening. Okay, it started to dip down. Let's check it on TradingView. Next sell side liquidity is at 66. Careful with the scalps. I'm still waiting. Not doing anything. I'm just checking a quick gold and crude oil. Crude just went up to the roof. All right. So NQ on the 1 minute. Sorry, 5 minute. This is the 5 minute Nasdaq. So far, it's gone into this support area. Let's see if it wants to get through on this. If it goes through, I would think that it can go down to the 640s. But so far, nothing really happening. All right, still hovering here.
Static accounts are back, but we've heard your feedback. We're bringing back the static account with a twist. So let's dive in. What's new? We are introducing a Pro plan. The Pro plan comes with a larger drawdown,
Larger drawdown, all right.
very highly requested, and our priority remains a trader-first approach. Now let's go ahead and cover both of the plans in depth. First,
All right. Took some partials. Sound on. Disable. No, actually, I was just watching the video, but hold on. I'm just checking the promo. Wow. Okay. So they're bringing back the static plan, and the way it looks like is that the profit target is $2,500. The drawdown static is $1,500. You can trade 1 mini or 10 micros. Payout 1,500 every 14 days. After 60 days, no cap. Activation fee, none. So no activation fee. Daily drawdown is 5%. And the price is $300 per month. That's the standard static account, all right? And what they are doing right now is they're introducing the static pro account, which is like profit target is 4,200. The drawdown static is 2,500. You can trade 2 mini or 20 micros. You can withdraw 2,500, no activation fee. 8% drawdown, daily drawdown, and it's $500 per month. A little bit expensive. It was cheaper. The standard was cheaper before. The standard is cheaper. It's 300, but I think with the discount code, that's why I'm saying with the discount code, it should be cheaper. The starter was 50, but this is the static account, and it should be around 150 or 20. Hold on. Okay, now comes the special. Okay, so you can get the static account for $210 if you use the code, whatever code. You can use my code. So with the code TOPSTEP, you can get the 30K regular static account for $210. $210. Yeah. New MFF static pro account. The static pro account, which is basically gives you a lot more freedom and bigger payouts, is with the code you can get it for $300. You can get it for $300, guys. So the one that was 50, it was the starter account. It was the regular starter account. This is a static account. It's like it works just like a cash account, technically. So you know, guys, what code to use. But really, I'm gonna definitely check for the flyer. I'm gonna be putting out a flyer anyway, but no activation fee. Just saying. So for let me be clear. It's $210 with the promo, but there is no activation fee, and you get a static account. Okay, so static account, no activation fee. It works like a classic account, which is actually quite all right. The promo ends until the end of the month. No trailing, no activation fee. No consistency rule. That's it. Okay, so that's the promo. Oh no! You use Patrick Whelan's code? No way. Viox, come on. He's super rich. Why not give it to the poor? Come on. Is the static plan worth it? After reach threshold, all accounts transforms. Technically, yes. If you reach your threshold, every account goes to static, basically. So, is it worth it? Well, it gives you a little bit bigger safety cushion, you know. So, I want to get more rich. Okay. Maybe I should be putting a car behind my back. You know what? If you guys want me to, I can put, oh, I can't because I don't have a green screen. I can put my own car in the background. You would be surprised what a good car I have. If you guys want me, I can show you my car. You're surprised what a great car it is. It's actually just an illustration, but I can show you. My car is one of the best cars out there. It's such a good car. You won't find anything like that again. Why can't I open it? All right. I have a great Mazda. I have such a great car. It's a nice Mazda. Or Mazda. Or however you call it. Anyway. It seems like this support area is pretty much holding this level. Look at this. How it reacted. It reacted here like this. And now it's rejecting this level. But so far the rejection wasn't that clean. I mean, optimal trade entry would have been down here, but there was a small fair value gap as well in this area. Could be going up. Ba-da-ba-ba, ba-da-ba-ba. What is happening? All right. This was technically an entry. Should I enter to a long position based on this? I think I will. Because if it starts to go, then, for example, okay, the stop is 86. I'm gonna add one more to average out the entry, and this is the problem. I cannot do this anymore on the funded account, so I have to be very strict at my entries. So I have to be aware of this one, of this specific rule. I'm gonna try to aim for those highs. BULENOX has a delay. I'm gonna have to disconnect BULENOX and connect it again because it has a delay going on. Anybody is in a trade or something? Are you guys? I'm going long on this. Actually, targeting the mid level of this area. Up over the 70s if I can. All right, it's going up, which is good. I might actually okay. It's gonna be this one. Doesn't really want to go, it seems like it. All right. I'm short as you're long, but I think you're right in this. I'm not sure. I'm not sure on this one, to be honest. It looks a little bit heavy on the 5-minute as well. Like out of steam or something. I don't know what's going on. Crude is up. I don't know. I don't really trust this price action, to be honest. Look at this. Feels a little bit heavy. Don't really like this too much, but do I have any orders? Only this one. All right. It goes higher right now. I don't know for how long. Long. Cobra says long. All right, let's see, guys. Okay, still going. It's still going up there. I'm gonna wait for a little bit here, and I'm gonna checking the 5 minute as well. We are approaching this resistance area, so that could cause some trouble. What I'm gonna do is I am going to sell one contract here, modify this to 1, and I'm gonna put it to break even 694, 694. Okay, so we're at break even, and that's it. Might reach 5 minute premium side from news drop. Yeah, could be. My stop loss is in a very bad place, but I'm not going to modify it. I want to lock in this, and if it goes against me, I bite it, no problem. But originally, my stop loss, maybe I would pull to 687. Seems like it's going. Come on, let's see. Are we gonna reach for it or not? This level, YOLO time, Vajax. Just be careful with the YOLOs there, Vajax. Be careful. Do you think, by the way, that this baseball cap looks good? Do you think it's fine? Should I wear it sometimes during the stream? Because otherwise I have a stupid hair. But should I wear a cap sometimes? Is it good? I want to make more videos, and I do like baseball caps. And when I saw this in the shop, I thought that it looks real good, and I bought it because not many baseball caps that I like, but this one I like very much. I do like it. I feel like the big pro traders when I'm wearing a baseball cap. I feel much more experienced as a trader, much better, you know. Okay, we reached that. We reached this resistance area, and we have a little bit of a rejection here. I think it's a good thing that I closed partials up there. Let's see if we get through on this one. All right, it's going. $30 ticks. Okay, it's fine. Rejection. Do you think? I know it sounds stupid, and please don't tell anyone, Cobra. What is BPR? I'm sorry. I just don't tell anyone. What is BPR? I'm trying to figure it out, but I'm so bad today with acronyms. Price reaction. What is bullish price reaction? Price rejection. Bullish price. Bearish price. Or I don't know, but something like that, right? Balanced price range. I knew it. All right. I knew. I just wanted to say, right? I was totally aware of that. I was. I knew it. I knew it. Anyway. I know. Balanced price range. Never mind. Didn't ask anything. Let's move forward. I still like to trade. Don't go away. Don't unsubscribe. Do not unsubscribe. Push the like button, you know. Balanced price range. All right. I'm actually, it feels hot right now. Balanced price range. What is it? Balanced price range. Well, when there's a fair value gap or a liquidity void, then usually when you know, price goes back to these areas, for example here on this fair value gap on the 5 minute, this is just a secondary example. I'm gonna give a different color. So this one here was unbalanced, and now it has rebalanced it by letting buyers into the place here, because most likely sellers took this area, and now it rebalanced it with buyers. And now we'll see if sellers are going to step in, or there's not going to be enough sellers to push price back down again. But it's definitely interesting because this is also kind of like a resistance area as well. If we push through this level, then I think we can go higher to previous day high at 738. Pretty good chance for that. Looks like we're going. And if we go, then there's no stopping until at least the midpoint of that candle. Although we're still in the range. We're still back to the range. Okay. Didn't close above it. Not yet. Not yet, so we're still going. It's going. It is going, guys. No, it's not. It's not going anywhere. Possible bearish balance bearish breaker forming if this places below, could be, but we need to see that displacement. It can very well be possible if this area is holding here, then the bearish breaker can come. Yeah. I know north and south. Yeah, south should be, I mean, only happening when we have that breaker. Otherwise, if we don't have a displacement, it could be hovering in this area. If it takes for a lot of time, for example, now we're over 10 a.m. If it's going to stay like this for a couple of minutes more, it could be bullish. But look at this, we have the displacement. Look at that. The displacement is started to happen. And actually, if I zoom it out just a little bit, this is actually a market structure shift already on the 1 minute. This candle, the 10 a.m. candle on the 1 minute, can actually show us a bearish market structure shift. So let's wait for this to close. Now, if it would close like this, this is not a shift. 8 more seconds on the 1 minute. Let's see. Okay, this is not a shift. This is not a real shift. This is not something I was looking for. So this is not a shift. Now I would need it to close way below 699 with a displacement to consider it. Okay, there you go. There you go. There you go. Not a big displacement. 1 minute. Okay, but this will be again, I need it to close somewhere around 96 or 97. If this is going to close with a wick like this one, then we're still bullish. We're going to stay still bullish on this one. Here you go. Yeah. 20 more seconds. Let's see where it closes. It needs to close at least a few ticks below 700 if this one is going to go bearish. 5 seconds. No, not a shift. It's still bullish, guys. This is still bullish, just a pullback. The wick, technically, it went lower, but the wick for me doesn't count. I need a stronger signal. The stronger signal for me, the down close or up close body in these cases. So the wicks, the candles tell, the wicks do the damage, you know, guys. The candles tell the story. So this here is not a bearish shift for me. And Q teasing like girls in a bar for drinks. Yeah, Francis, absolutely. Absolutely. I'm waiting for the short. Absolutely. I'm not even sure if I'm going to go short. Let's go back to the 5 minute. You guys can see how I'm actually amazed by the beauty of it. Like this area. I mean, I know we're trading smart money concepts and everything, but it's undeniable that this area is resistance. It's undeniable that this here is resistance. So now I need a displacement below 90. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. This is something that we're looking for. And the next target should be down at the 640s. If it goes down, should be bursting through this area. I need this candle to stay somewhere like this, and the next candle not to close this gap. Then I will be considering to jump in to a short. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. Okay. Never mind. We're going like crazy. Let me put this away. Okay. No entry. Wow, what is happening here? It's gonna break through the 72s, I'm telling you. I'm telling you, it's gonna break through the 72s. Not sure how. All right. Going higher. Okay, so this should be an area to maybe go short. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Third second regular, yeah, 9:30 open. Could be. Very interesting price action, that's for sure. And I'm watching the 15-minute too. I see some sell side down below, but the way these candles are acting up right now, it's pretty weird. It's absolutely weird. I don't really like it, to be honest. But if I look the optimal trade entry in this area, then we're at the optimal trade entry. So, and it didn't take out the lows here. Rejected in this area again. Seems like it's gonna go higher. Might be. Might be. Let's wait for it, shall we? Let's wait for it. What's it gonna do? 50-50 for shorts now. They might be bullish SMT. Yeah. Yes, made low. It's like rejection candle. Yeah, it's definitely a 50-50 right now. It's a coin flip, everyone. I don't know what to think of this, to be honest. If it goes down, then it should be going lower than 72. And if I look to the left on the 5-minute, there is a sell side liquidity at 666. If I look the 15-minute, I do like the level down there at 666. Don't know what to think of it, honestly. But it's a tricky one. It's a very, very, very tricky one. I'm gonna delete this. It's a little bit disturbing. It looks like it could be ready for a bullish break. It made equal low. It should go take it. Could be. Or this could be a trap for the shorts. You know, luring everyone in. And we have yesterday's high. Everything is pretty close on the bullish side. So if it would go up, there you go. Then it would break the shorts. Yeah, I think I was taken out at break even from that trade earlier, right? Yeah, I was. Looks bullish. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. It could be a bullish reaction here, everyone. You know, breaking through those highs at 716. It should be going through. And I think it has every chance to do it. Let's wait a little bit more, all right? Let's see how these candles are coming. Feel like this is a short trap, but I don't know. I don't know what to think. Buyers are not pushing. If it breaks above 715 ish, then it definitely wants to go and take out 25 and the rest. No, it's just getting weaker right now. Took some bullish scalp already out. Both sides, yeah. Definitely a decision point because of this resistance level. They might try to break it, but have to go through the 15 or 16 area. But again, if it starts to drop, then you know, all hell is gonna break if it starts to drop. Feels weak, look at that. I don't know. I'm watching it closely, but I just couldn't make any of it. But I mean, no idea right now. We do have those very nice tops up there as good targets. And basically we're stuck in this range. Tried to break through once. Let's see if it wants to break again. But as I said, it has to go through the 15. I was in a long, but I don't like it. Big candles, yeah. Yeah, the downside has a huge wick. Could be falling down again. Gotta make sure to. I'm watching this closer on my other screen, so sorry if I'm not updating with you guys. But to jump into a scalp or not, I don't have anything. But I don't know. I don't know. Just a second, quickie phone call. Sorry, just a quick phone call. So, let's see what's going on here. Do I have any orders? I don't. All right. It's breaking higher. It seems like it wants to break that level. If we go through, I mean, it's definitely a resistance zone. Why am at Asia high? Okay, so if it sweeps Asia high, let's check out what ES is doing. ES actually, I think ES definitely wants to go higher. So that's it. I looked at this on the 5-minute. I'm definitely bullish on Nasdaq. I'm definitely bullish on Nasdaq, and it should be breaking the 15 right now. ES London high, but look at the daily high. Look at the daily high. Which is about 50. Yeah. London high. Yeah. I mean, that's the daily high, actually. So, which is midnight. Yesterday high is at 43. It's very close, man. It should be going higher, right? Oh, yeah, there you go. I just looked away, and that's it. Broke through this level. Let's see how it's going to react from here. Actually made a fair value gap here. So if this would wick down, take this gap, it can go down to this next level, which is up there. And that could be an interesting story. Let's see. It's not wicking down. Man, I was trying to get into this. What a shame. Still looking for, but yeah, nah, it's gonna go higher. It's definitely going higher. Anyway. Ba-da-dum-bum. Slow movement, by the way. I was expecting a little bit faster or stronger movement, but it's just not doing it. Look at this. It's basically stuck. No retracement or anything. Gold is down there. Crude oil, nothing extra. But yeah, this is just stuck. What can we do? Again, hey Tom, today I'm seeing stranger things. I full printed my Apex account, and when I was about to move take profit, platform said no data, went blank. I saw my account reaching 3k and back. Closed at 2k when data was back and full ported again. You passed! Dude. Dude, if you passed, I mean, I hope you passed. Congratulations. You deserve it, man. I don't know what. Actually, the same happened to me too. It's not because of Apex, just saying it's not because of Apex or Quant Tower. It could be a rhythmic connection issue. I don't know. It happened to me too on Quant Tower. I closed everything and restarted everything. It happens every now and then, and not just at Apex. It happened the other day with my funded futures, and I think it very well happened with BULENOX as well. So anyway, that's awesome, man. Congratulations, Agan. That is great. That is awesome. Great news. Great news. Happy to hear. All right, all right. What is happening? Nothing. Basically, it's unplugged again. All right. You're out? Cobra, what happened? I hope you made some profit. What is happening? Talk to me, Goose. Look at this. Went up, broke through. Now it's retesting. What if it wants to go higher? What if? What if this one wants to go higher and break that level up there? Look at it. Might want to go and check that level out. And that level is actually at 28-ish. I would say at the 28 level. Or at least at 25. Just don't be greedy. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. I was looking to enter here. If I zoom it out, look at this. I mean, I'm just enjoying watching this. Look at that. That gap has been taken and now it goes to that other area up there. I definitely like it. Look at it. It could go up there. Oh man, I feel the FOMO. I should have taken this. I should have taken this trade. I was watching this closely and I wanted to take something on the funded accounts and this was the trade. This was the trade that I should have entered to. I was actually having a limit order while it was down here, and then I got cold feet and deleted the limit order. What a shame. What a shame. Shame on me. Anyway, I have to go and do some business. And I'm sorry I can't stay for long, but today is a very busy day for me. But I'll be here tomorrow for a longer time. So thank you very much for watching the stream. We actually made some profit on the evaluation accounts, and I'm overall up on every funded account. So thank you for being here. We watched the market open. There's still some time from the kill zone, from the silver bullet tower. Please check out what I just posted on YouTube and on Twitter. If you want to check that static account with my funded futures, I think it's one of the greatest deals for going with a static. And thanks for all the support. And love you guys. It was a great session. I'm gonna be uploading some videos soon. And tomorrow we'll do giveaways, so make sure to subscribe and like. All right, thank you so much, and see you guys tomorrow in the London session. All right, cheers everyone. Have a good evening, morning, night. All right, see you in London.